How to delete transaction history on Paysend. Open your browser, type in https://paysend.com, and press enter to go to the website. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner, where you'll see two options, log in and sign up. Click on log in, then enter your account details to access your Paysend account. After you're logged in, scroll down to the very bottom of the page. There, you'll find several options, including blog, news, help center, refer a friend, and careers. Click on help center to open the support options. In the help center, you'll have two ways to request deletion of your transaction history. First, you can type in your request and click submit to send it directly to support. Alternatively, you can use the chat feature to message a customer support representative who can help you with deleting your history. Once you've completed these steps, your request will be sent, and Paysend's support team will assist you further with your transaction history deletion.